Can you introduce yourself?
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Mary Cardi Ocampo, 27 years old. I live in Poblacion, Sibaste, Antique. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the eldest of the family. I am a college graduate. I took Associate in Computer Technology in Garcia Calibo Technology here in Calibo, Aklan.
What is your working experience as a housemaid?
I work in Kuwait as a domestic helper for 2 years with 4 children, ages 14 years old, 12 years old, 8 years old, and 6 years old. I do all the household chores like cleaning, washing all the clothes, ironing, and taking care of the children, ma'am.
Do you know how to take care of a baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, I will check his or her diaper if it is full, and I will check the baby, maybe it's hungry. And I will check also his temperature, maybe she is sick or not.
Do you have a long patience for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is naughty?
If the baby is naughty, I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them, ma'am.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong to provide for my family and to become financially stable also, ma'am.
Describe your positive attitude.
I am responsible, honest, and hardworking person, ma'am.
How will you handle your homesick?
I will handle my own homesick. I am focused on my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Can you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
What food can you cook?
I can cook Filipino food, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, ma'am.
Can you accept no day off but your employer will pay your day?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elder person and assist their needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut your hair short before coming to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise not to color your hair and nail polish?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, sir, ma'am. I hope you choose me as your helper. I will serve your family with love and respect and hoping to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you and God bless.